Hello Udemy, I'm Shazad Ahmed from Checksy.com and welcome in lecture number 24. Today we are going to start our new topics, which is code and tables, so you can easily understand how can you create your tables. I'm talking about tables which has your TG, TR or TH. So how can you do that? First, suppose I'm going to now start a column. Which column? I'm saying this is my 6th column, and now I'm saying please start from col md offset 2. Okay, so now refresh the page. First of all, you have your we don't have a content, so that's why it's showing empty. View page source, you have your container, row and columns right now. Okay, so how can you write or how can you add your code like section or like paragraph using bootstrap? First, suppose I'm saying that for example I'm saying this is code section. Okay, now I'm saying code, and now you can see you have your code. And how can you define this greater than and less than sign? First of all, I'm saying and I'm saying gt, make sure I have greater than sections, and I'm saying this is section. Now I'm saying not greater than, I'm saying this is less than lt. Okay, we have lt sections and gt sections. So now you have created the code here. Now something here, go to your page, refresh the page, you can see you have your div here. So it's totally depend upon you. You have div here like this. If you want to create, first suppose this is a section, or I'm saying this is the paragraph, you can see you have your paragraph here. And you can also specify something similar with this. You can start your code here. First, suppose your code, go to your page, refresh the page, so you have started, and now you have ended the paragraph. For suppose this is paragraph, you are saying this is paragraph. Okay, so you can add the code like this if you are working on the code. First, okay, so now remove this. We are going to start the tables. For suppose tables, so you don't need to add the extra css styling here. I'm saying table. First of all, this is the class, and now I'm saying table border, so they have some table styling. I'm saying this is th, and now I'm saying roll number, and now this is name, and now I'm saying th class. So I'm saying this is my tr. Inside my tr I have a td. So I'm saying roll number is 1, so this is my td. I'm saying my name is Sheikzi, and now I have another td. I'm saying amphil. Okay, go to your page, refresh the page. So now you have created a table. Make sure this is the border. I'm saying please add a br here, something br here. Okay, so now you have a table, you have a border table. Make sure they are providing different type of table. For suppose border, hit the responsive, so this is the responsive table. I am saying that border table table dashed. Okay, table bordered responsive I think they have okay, because I'm working on more than one frameworks like foundations, so it's hard to memorize each and everything. So that's why I already told you, so I don't need to memorize each and everything. So this is your table, so you can create your tables like this, and table stripped. Okay, they have a class table stripped. Okay, refresh the page. So now you have your tables like this. I'm saying this is second row, this is third row. I'm saying John PhD. I'm saying Alex, and okay, no, this is a roll number or ID. I'm saying Alex, and I'm saying BS or bachelor. Refresh the page. So now you can see you have a stripped. So they have a different type of bordered, which we have just seen, stripped, and they have a another class like hover. For suppose you can change this from strip to hover, so you can go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see you it's adding the hover effect inside your table. So they have this class, so you can see you can change like this. So it's totally depend upon you which element you are going to use, and make sure they are also providing the active, success, warning, danger classes for your TRs. For suppose this TR, I'm saying active. Go to your page, refresh the page, so it's active now. I'm saying this TR has danger. Refresh the page, so this is the danger. So you can specify your classes like info. Go to your page, refresh the page. So now they have an info class. So similar to your buttons, you have warning, info, success, and something like this. So it's totally depend upon you or depend upon your requirement. If you are going to create the responsive table, for suppose you have more than one TDs, and just add this. For suppose if you have more than one columns, go to your page, refresh the page. So now you have more than one columns. For suppose create some columns. So now you have another column. So when you open this using a small devices, you can see now you have your scroll bar, because this page is not fully responsive. What you need to add you need to create a div, and now you can define your tables inside here, and you can add this div a class. So they are saying this is the class name, which is a table responsive. So I'm saying table responsive, this is the class name. So go to your page, refresh the page. So now you can see you have when you open this inside your low level devices, you can see it's automatically adding the scroll bar. Now your page is fully responsive, so you can see you don't have a your bar inside here. So you have a fully responsive table. So it's totally depend upon you and your requirement. So you have learned how can you create your forms, or tables. So in the next lecture we are going to create the forms, then we are going to move further. So thank you for watching.